Some local police officers are switching to new technology to break up crowds, keep visitors out of parks. They are using drones. News 6's Lauren Korn shows us how they are getting results.
COVID-19, this park is currently closed.
Daytona Beach police are now using 2 loaner drones equipped with loudspeakers.
We apologize for the inconvenience.
We're doing here at this department is trying to leverage the technology that's out there and make it fit into this mold that is COVID-19.
Hello, my name is Kelvin King. I am the founder and chief executive officer of Alpha Aviation. As you saw in the media report, what we predicted nearly 5 years ago is now happening. Drones are becoming a vital component of our society. Expect drones to deliver your goods, to transport your packages, to help local law enforcement police your local communities. We expect drones to have an impact on society very similarly to what the smartphone's currently having on society. As a result, Alpha Aviation is positioning itself to gain as much market share as possible in this growing sector. We are inviting you to partner with us in this opportunity. Alpha Aviation is pleased to announce that we are going to be leasing 200 drones this year in 2020. We're giving you the opportunity to lease us your drones and invest, make some money with us. In addition to the leases, we're also intending, once we emerge from this pandemic, we're planning on hiring up to 200 drone operators and interns this year. For those of you that are at home during this pandemic, looking for the next opportunity, we want to make an opportunity available to you. We're actually in need of drone operators, and we're offering you the opportunity to become a licensed drone pilot with Alpha Aviation. We're going to be starting 100% virtual online drone certification courses. These courses will help you earn the drone pilot license in a 15-day online course. When you complete the drone license, we will hire you and we will qualify you as a professional drone operator. If you're serious about this opportunity, we implore you to visit our website, alphadronesusa.com, for more information. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay focused on your future. God bless.
Dispatch Alpha Drone 1 initializing aerial launch.
Roger that, Alpha 1.